Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can zoom out in Roblox on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Roblox on the PlayStation 5. And right now, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, firstly you need to enable the zoom option. If you want to do that, go ahead and go to the home page in your PlayStation 5 and then go here to the top. Right here you're gonna find games, media, and here you're gonna find search, settings, and your profile icon. So go ahead and click on settings, and then once you do that you're gonna be right here in this page. Once you're here, you're gonna find all of your PlayStation 5 settings. Go ahead and click on the second option, accessibility, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find display and sound, screen reader, controllers, closed caption, and chat transcription. Go ahead and click on display and sound, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find zoom, invert colors, color correction, text size, and so on. Go ahead and click on zoom, and then make sure you enable the zoom option. So basically guys, once you enable the zoom option, right here, as you can see guys, in the bottom you're gonna find all of your controls. You can start the zoom adjustments with the PS button plus square. If you want to reset the zoom adjustments, you can click on circle, and if you want to confirm the zoom adjustment, you will confirm it using X. So right now we're gonna go back to Roblox, and for example, if you click on PS plus square, you're gonna be able to zoom in, as you can see guys. And if you want to confirm your zoom adjustments, click on X. And if you want to zoom out right now, just go ahead and click again on PS plus square and then click on circle, and you will be able to zoom out. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.